Alright, today I'm going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the healing energy TikTok dance that has been going viral lately. It's very simple and it's fun to dance. Let's go. Alright, as always, I'm going to break it down into some mini sections to make it as easy as possible. Alright, let's go. So, starting with mini section 1 and just show you what you're about to learn. Alright, so a quick preview goes like this. Tap, 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 tap. Alright, now let me break it down for you. So, what you want to do is take your right leg, lift it and kick it to your left, all right? And then you want to kick it back here to your right, and then you want to bring it back, and you want to sort of jump on it while lifting the left up like this, okay? Let's just show it from the side as well so you get a side view, all right? So I'm doing kick, kick, jump, all right? Fall jump-ish. Let's try that with me. Kick, kick, bam. Let's try that again. Kick, kick, bam. Try that a few times. Kick, kick, bam. Now, once you can do that, basically what you want to do is just from here, bring your left down, and then right goes back to the original position. All right? So it goes like this. Kick, kick, fall, step, step. Okay? Let's just try that. All right? So we're going to go kick, kick, fall, step, step. But before we start, let me just explain the timing as well. So he sings, healing energy, count. All right, that's the time. So we're gonna practice that. I'm gonna go, let me just count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing healing energy. All right, so we start with energy. 5, 6, 7, 8, healing energy, count. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy. All right, let's just start one last time, slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy. All right, feel free to practice at your own pace if you need to practice more, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 2. Okay, preview of mini section 2, it goes and then step wing, 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 wing. All right, let me break down mini section 2. So end of mini section 1 was da-na-na. From here, 2 goes shake, 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 shake up. All right, there's a sound that goes that's what we're trying to hit. From here, what you want to do is take a step out with your right, in, left, in. Pretty simple, right? Now the arms and the chest is going open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. All right, so every time you step out, you open, and then when you land, you want to close it. Up, close, up, close, up, close. Let me show from the side as well. I'm going step wing, and wing, and wing, and wing, as if you're breathing, all right? So, okay? Just try that a few times. And now, a small detail, I actually don't have time to go back down before I step out. I just go, and then I go out, in, out, in. You also don't need to go up on your toes. That's just what I do. You can just go and stand here on flat foot, and then step out. All right? Timing-wise, it goes, there's a sound that we're trying to hit. And then from here, it goes, mi, ka. When it's all right, let's try and practice that a few times. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and then we're gonna go me and when it's okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Me and when it's let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Me when it's let's try one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Me when it's all right, I think we should do mini section 1 and 2. All right, so just to recap, it goes like this. Healing energy from me and when it's all right, let's try that a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy from me. And when it's, let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy from me. And when it's, all right, moving on to mini section 3. Just a quick preview. It goes like this. Wham, 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 wham. Okay, let me break it down. So, don't worry too much about the arms. Let's just focus on the legs. So I want to explain that first. Basically, what you're doing is you want to go pas de bourrée, all right? So you want to go bring your right back, left, right, okay? So it's right, left, right. Okay, now you want to do the same to the opposite side. So you want to go left behind, right, left. Okay, rewind, stand like this, right? So right here, left goes behind, left, right, here. Okay, so let me just recap. The legs are doing, starting from here, starting with the right goes back, left, right, now it's left, left, back, right, left. Okay, if you're having a hard time doing both, just start practicing one at a time. So just this side, right, left, right. Then start over, right, left, right. And then once you can do that, you want to go left, right, left. Okay, let me show you from the side view as well. So this is my front, I'm going right, left, right, left, right, left. Now that's the easy version. If you want to do the a bit more advanced version, you also want to flick the heel of this leg to the side. Okay, so when I do it, just watch. I'm going where, where, where. So it's the very first step where I'm stepping behind here with my right. I want to do a small flick here with this leg. All right, so the difference is, just watch. The difference is between just stepping, nothing happens with this one, or stepping and flicking with this one, all right? So, wing, 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 okay? Or just wing, 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 wing. Now, if you feel like adding a bit more, you can add the arms, all right? So what you want to do is just bring it up here, turn it around, either up here or down here, up to you. So, wing, and then the other side, wing, okay? You want to combine it with the legs, so it goes like this. Wing, 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 and wing, wing, wing. Just try that a few times. Wing, 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 and wing, wing, wing. Now, timing wise, it's, let me just bring back the last 2 steps before that. So it goes, when it's 11, 11. All right, let's try and practice that. I actually want to do the when it's, so it makes sense with the music as well. All right, so I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to say, when it's 11, 11. Okay, a bit slower, of course. 5, 6, 7, 8. When it's 11, 11. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. When it's 11, 11. All right, you probably need to practice that a few times more. Do it at your own pace, however you want. And then once you're ready, we can do the final bit, which is, let me just show you a quick preview here. Right after, you want to turn around, and then you want to say, all right, super simple. So let me just break it down for you. What you want to do when you turn around, you can, prep like this and go spin on your left leg here, however you want, all right? The details doesn't matter in this dance. So you spin around and then you want to go to the front here. I don't know what this is, but this is a move. I'm doing this and just showing you from the top view here. So I'm doing this while I'm sort of pushing my knees out and in like this. and then I want to lean back. You kind of keep doing this or just don't do anything, and then you do wah, wah. All right, and that's basically it. Okay, so let me recap. From here, the new mini section goes spin around, and then there's a small pause, healing, and then you go wah, wah, back, back, wah, wah, the end. All right, timing-wise, let me explain. The bit before goes 11, 11, ah. So I'm using the ah to sort of prep, and then needed, I spin. If you spin fast, you can make it in needed, or you can do it a bit slower because there's gonna be a healing that you also have before starting on energy on me and the end. All right, that was a bit confusing. Let me just show you, just watch. All right, so it goes like this. 11, 11, I need it. Healing energy on me. That's one version if you spin fast. If you spin slow, it goes like this. 11, 11, I need it. Healing energy on me. All right, so you have more time to spin there. All right. All right, let's practice. Okay, I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go. I need it. Healing energy on me. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. I needed healing energy on me. 8. Let's try it one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. I needed healing energy on me. And all right, guys, time to do the full dance. Let me just recap, and then we're gonna practice. All right, so recap. Just watch. We're going healing energy from me, and when it's 11, 11, I need healing energy on me, and ha. All right, guys, time to practice. I'm gonna start slow. 5. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing healing. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy from me, and when it's 11, 11, I need healing energy on me. And let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy from me, and when it's 11, 11, I need healing energy on me. And all right, guys, before we practice at your own pace, I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. All right, it goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. Healing energy from me. When it's 11, 11, I need it. Healing energy on me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.